Hi, my name is Joe Nicholson. I'm the Senior Director of Business Development for Cleveland Range. We're going to talk a little bit about steamer maintenance in this video. One of the things that's really important with your Cleveland steamer is to always leave the door popped at nighttime. That's going to take the pressure off of this gasket, giving it longer life. It's also given the ability to the cavity to dry out as well. Another thing that people don't realize about our steamers, being it's a two-piece door, this inner door can be taken off and rotated and then put back on again, which is going to double your gasket life. So this is something that you should probably look at doing at least weekly. As well is that there are 6 bolts and nuts on this unit. You can actually take this door apart if this gasket ever goes bad, and you can actually flip the gasket over and use the other side, which will once again double the life of your gasket as well. One of the most important things about steamer is doing preventative maintenance descaling. That descaling procedure is outlined on the side of the unit. This is something that should probably be done quarterly, if not more frequently. It pretty much all depends on how hard your water is, what the duty cycle of the unit is, and how frequently you blow the unit down, which is turning it off, letting it drain out that highly mineralized water, and then refill with fresh water so you can start steaming again. If you do that every 8 hours, that will cut down on the frequency of the number of times that you have to descale. So anyway, that's most important things to maintain your Cleveland steamer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.